Are you looking for an easy way to make money online? Look no further. With Al, you can start making money right away without any skills required. The best investment is not in crypto or stocks, but in zero-cost digital products that sell. Today, I'll show you how Al can help us make money as easily as ABC, even for the laziest person on earth. Step 1. Zeropenstock.adobe.com and click the Sell menu and Join Now button to create a seller AC account. You can use your email, Google, or Facebook account to register. Step 2. Research profitable products. Go to stock.adobe.com, click the View Panel button and check the illustration option, choose your desired orientation, and sort by downloads. Select the type of image you want and copy the title and save it in a notepad. Also, copy all related keywords and save them for later. Step 3. Create AI art using Midjourney version 4, which supports multiple aspect ratios. Use the parameters outlined in the video description. Improve the title with keywords you think will sell. Save the best result on your computer. Step 4. Upscale your image using imgupscaler.com. Choose the 400% option, upload your photo, press start, and wait for the process to complete. Download the upscaled product to your computer. Step 5. Improve your title with related keywords and ask ChatGPT to make it SEO friendly. Ask ChatGPT to separate the product keywords with commas and create an SEO-friendly description for your title. Back to the Adobe Stock website, press the Upload button and change your file name to the SEO-friendly title to improve its metadata. Paste the title, description, and keywords. Choose illustration for the file type and check the Created using Generative AI Tools option. Click the Submit button. Allow 2-3 days for moderation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next money making video tutorial.